Hello guys, in this video we talk about static variable and static method and oops, how we define this and how we use this. Okay, so let's get started. So for using this, we have to define a class A. Okay, you can take any class and here I am taking a static variable. Taking static variable name num1 is equal to 10. You can take any value. Now I want to access this. So in static, when we use the static variable, then we don't need to create an object. We just simple uh, write here a class name, class class name A colon, and your variable name. So dollar num. Okay, simple. You don't need to create object. Okay, run this php demo.php. Value is 10. This comes your okay. Your value is comes. So like this, you can access the static variable. Okay, and if you want to access the static method or function, then how we use this? So let's define here another variable static public dollar num2 equal to 20 and make a static function get data a. Okay, and I want to access here num2. Then how we use this? And when we are talk about abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, we access by using the dollar this. So dollar this, we when we are when we are creating the object, then we use the uh, dollar this, because dollar this refers to your object, current object. So here no object, so we don't need to write here dollar this. So we simply use a self keyword, and whatever value we access, so we want to access here num2. So we simple use a num2 and call here a method get data a. Okay, like this. Now we run this. Okay, so output is not comes nothing. Okay, here you have to use the echo. Okay, and run this. Yeah, 20 it comes. So like this, you have like this you can access. Okay, if I remove this, so let's see what the output. So it's giving the error. So you have to by using the static, when you are using the static method, then you have to use the static uh, variable. Okay, so like this you can use. Okay, so here basically here is the one point when we are use the static, why we are use the static. So here we are not creating any object, not using any constructor. I already told in a previous video, when we are using in a abstraction encapsulation, we are define the constructor, and a constructor always run first, then run your function, and then your destructor in last. So like suppose I'm define here a constructor function. Let me check constructor is work or not. Function construct, and write something here. Echo hello constructor 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 hello constructor. and semicolon and save this and run this. So as you can see this here 20 output 20 is comes, but constructor not run by because this is the we are not using here a object, so it's not in it's not need to define here. So in static variable and static function, we are not using the constructor one point, and second point we are not use the use or create the object, two things. When we have to directly call, then we use the static variable and static function without creating object. Okay, so this is the static variable and static method. Like this we can use this. So okay, so in coming videos we talk about the trait and the rest of the things. And I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching the video.